Meron nga akong Karen. Oo, bibili ako potato fries. The things that I bought for today, I received my salary. This is for Kashi. It costs 179 pesos. Let's open it. Flea and tick collar for dogs. For you, Kashi. Okay. You're going to wear this one. Coupon band. Because I'm gonna print something. This is, yes, 40 pesos midterm. Another is, I also bought, it cost 238 pesos. I also bought Bijesic, vitamin C, and my Shawil. That's up. Wheel, honey. This one is very good for your face. Your face will not be cakey if you use this one. It's my favorite. I've been using it since last year. And some vitamins. You need some vitamins. As you get older, vitamin C is very important with zinc. And some Bijesic. I also bought Bijesic for myself. Also bought some Bijesic for myself. I need that. And for my office, this one rice cake. This one tastes good. Rice corn cheese. Okay. The Ubi one is not there, so I bought the flavored rice corn cheese. I don't know if it's this the one that I've tasted before. My favorite kind of peanut, this one. the happy one. This flavor is so good. I bought three, two for myself and one for my mom. Okay, mommy, for you, my favorite peanut. And some marshmallow. I bought some marshmallow. Okay, mama, sa ito. This one is for my office. I'm gonna put it there on my office. And some powder, food powder, and some Coke, and some soft drinks.